I've got a cooker here where the ignition button has fallen away. I'm gonna see if I can attempt to repair this. Right, starting by just removing the control knobs. They literally just pop off. Now I'm gonna try to find how I can remove this front plate here. So just open the grill door, and underneath here we've got a few screws, so I'm gonna undo those first, and hopefully that should allow me to pull that front cover plate off. Right, so I've removed those screws and I've got that bending forward, but it's not coming off, and I can just about see there's some screws holding it down from the top. So I'm going to try and pop this top cover plate off to get to the screws holding this down, and then I think I just need to fish out the ignition button from there. I managed to pop the front off, and it's literally just held on by these two little metal spring clips and obviously a lot of grease. So now that I've managed to get that off, so you can see some of these were so greasy that pin just popped out there, so we'll have to make sure that I can pop that back in. But yeah, that's what the inside of a cooker looks like. I'm not going to try and get the whole thing off because I can actually see the ignition button there, so I'm going to try and fish that back out into this hole. Yeah, you can hear it. Can't see it yet, but you can hear it. So that's working. Right, we have ticking. Just lit the big one. Now, they were using it obviously just with a lighter, but the problem was you can't do that on the oven. You might be able to do it on the grill, but you couldn't do that on the oven. So let's now do the grill. So, there we go. We've got ignition there. And now let's do the oven. We've got flames in there. Happy days. That's all done now. Right, there we go. So, didn't need to buy a new cooker just because of that ignition button. And that is the first time I've done that. But it's not so difficult when you start stripping it all apart. So, happy days.